Ever wished your Glovo orders were even cheaper? Let's unlock those savings and dive into how you can effortlessly use promo codes on Glovo to slash prices on everything from your favorite meals to your weekly groceries. First things first, open your Glovo app. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can find great promo codes all over the internet, on social media, through email newsletters, or even special in-app promotions. Keep an eye out. Now, let's say you've added your desired food, groceries, or any other items to your cart. You want to proceed to checkout to see your order summary. On the checkout screen, you'll spot a section clearly marked for applying promo codes or discount vouchers. This is where the magic happens. Tap on this field, and a keyboard will pop up. Carefully enter your promo code here. It's crucial to type it exactly as you see it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, and any numbers or symbols. Once entered, tap the Apply button, usually found next to the input field. If the code is valid and you meet its eligibility criteria, like a minimum spend or being a new user, you'll instantly see the discount applied to your order total. Remember, promo codes often have specific terms. Some might be for first-time users only, others might require a minimum purchase amount, or they could be valid only for certain categories like food or groceries. Always check the promo code's details to ensure it applies to your current order. By keeping an eye out for these codes and applying them strategically at checkout for your food deliveries, grocery runs, or any other Glovo service, you can significantly optimize your savings and get more for less on every single order. Happy saving!